All right, I'm here to show you this message, the one that I posted earlier. That the Facebook team say that we take a look at the document you submitted and get back to you. If we need more help with confirming your name, we will contact you for additional documentation. So this was the warning when the Facebook team locked me out. So, and this is what happened. On my email address, I got the message that say that thank for your patience. It looked like the name on your account for our policies, and we apologize for any inconvenience that this may have caused you. As we already reviewed your account, we wouldn't have to check in with you again about your name unless you change it. If you have an additional question or want to learn more about our name policies, please visit our help center. Really, anyway, this is a great message from Facebook team. So they have sent me a message and which say that I'm already I mean my appeal was accepted, and this message right here, the one that you are seeing here, they sent it when by the time when they locked me out. I tried to log in but I couldn't. So right now it look like I'm back. So let me go direct into my Facebook. So let's do this. Let me go direct to Facebook and log in right here. So this is the Facebook that they locked out. So let me simple click that and we are going to see. I think it, yep, it's coming. Yeah, thank you Facebook team for this amazing news. So I'm back right now to my normal Facebook, and I really appreciate Facebook team for looking into my problem. So this is what I did. After they send me the message and tell me that you should confirm your identity, I send them my identity, like my passport. I send it direct to them, and then I come right here to Facebook login issue. I go to Google, like Google, and then you type in Facebook login issue. After you search for that, for this Facebook login issue, you come down here and look for report problem with logging in Facebook. So I click this, and then I fill in one of the message. Let me do this for you guys. Let me log out here first, and I'm gonna show you. So let me go back. So here, so there, let me go back and report problem with login on Facebook, or let me look for this. So what I did, I click this after searching for this, and you can see that here there is this where you can fill in all your detail and send your problem to them. So this is where you can be able to fill in, I mean, your identity. So guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate the Facebook team for giving me back my Facebook, and this is so amazing. I was frustrated, but now it is normal. I'm okay, I'm good. Thank you for watching, guys. Okay, bye bye.